Hi, my name is Priyam, and in this video I will help you get started on C# coding. C# is general purpose programming language. It is used to make Windows desktop application, web applications, games, and has become a popular choice for mobile development. Let's start by loading Visual Studios. Once the program is loaded, you can create a new project and this will give you a further option to choose your template, where you select Console App, click Next, and it gives you an option to select your project name. So once you add your name, you can just click Create, and it will give you a default Hello World program. Since I've already made a new program, let's move on to that. So starting off with the brackets. The curly brackets are used to suggest beginning and end of the program. The static is used so that we don't have to create an object to execute the program. And void indicates that method doesn't return a value, and main is used to show from where the program can be executed. So starting off, I've created two string variables, input A and input B. And there is an integer called age. Console.writeLine is used to give a message to the user. Or you can also call it as a dialog, which will show up on the screen. And using this, you can collect information from the user and store that information into the variables the way it's done here. So I've used input A to store the name I've received from the user. And here input B is being used to store the age of the user. The age of the user. And in the last line, I have made a statement hello plus input A, where there's a name stored of the user, UR in speech marks, plus the age of the user and is years old. So in total, this would make a statement as hello XYZ user, you are 15 or 20 years old. So let's see if this program works. So now the output is hello world, please enter your name. So let's write here, and it gives you an option to enter your age. And there it is, hello world. Priyam, you're 18 years old. And that completes our statement. Instead of int, you can also use double, and you can as well try adding more variables and change this and to practice on it. Once you get the hang of it, it will be easier for you to start doing the next processor. Thank you for watching.